Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this beautiful South Indian bridal makeup look. This is a bridal makeup look that I have created using only affordable products. This is a bridal makeup look with a twist because I'm wearing a can sari look, which honestly I have never tried before and fell in love with it. It's a classic South Indian bridal makeup look, very vibrant yet very beautiful. I'm going to explain every single detail in today's video. So if you want to know how I created this beautiful South Indian bridal makeup look, then please do continue watching. First thing first, I have cleansed my skin using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser, which is a very gentle, mild cleanser even for sensitive skin types. It's gonna remove any dirt and impurity away from the skin and maintain the pH level of your skin. On top of that, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, which is my Neutriderm Vitamin E moisturizer, which I absolutely love. So I'm just massaging the product all over the face and neck, and this is gonna make sure that my makeup sits properly on top of this and also provides a lot of hydration to my skin as well and doesn't make it look oily or anything. So now to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the PAC eyebrow kit. I'm taking a very deep, rich, chocolatey brown shade to define my eyebrows and fill in any gaps. I'm going a little bolder for today's look because it's a bridal makeup look. Then I'm taking my PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Spiced Sand, which is a couple of shades lighter than my own complexion, and just applying it as a base for my eyeshadow look here. And blending it out using my PAC concealer brush. For eyeshadow, I'm taking this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is a golden toned eyeshadow palette from Profusion. Perfect for bridal looks. So I'm taking that warm matte brown shade on a blending brush and just applying it all over the crease and making sure that it is well blended. And then I'm going to take this deeper shade of brown and just gonna deepen up my crease further. Then for the pop of magenta pink, I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in a very vibrant purplish pink shade, basically like a hot pink shade, and just applying that in a V shape to the outer corners of my eyes and blending it out using a tapered brush before it gets dried. Make sure that you do one eye at a time, otherwise the liquid lipstick will set. Then I'm just going to take this gorgeous shimmery gold eyeshadow. It's a classic gold color for Indian bridal makeup looks, and just popping that right on the empty space on my eyelids and taking it till the pink shade that we just applied previously. Also want to make it look more popping, so I'm taking this champagne shimmer foiled eyeshadow. So my brush wasn't working that well to create that foiled and metallic effect, so I use my finger just to pop it right on the center of my eyelids for that really nice pop of shimmer. Once that is done, I'm just going to use my wet wipe to clean any eyeshadow fallout and move on to the face. For face, first I'm going to prime my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer. It's a beautiful primer if you want that dewy, glowy effect. So I'm just massaging the product really well. It also gives your skin that beautiful, soft, blurry effect. Especially if you have dry skin, you would absolutely love it. It creates such a nice base and your makeup sits so beautifully on top of that. Now to color correct my face, I'm using my PAC Take Cover Concealer. As you can see, I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my skin. Since it's a bridal look, I want my base makeup to look extremely flawless, so an orange color corrector is a must. So I'm applying that strategically on top of my hyperpigmentation and blending it out using a damp beauty blender from e.l.f. Make sure that you blend out your color corrector before you apply your foundation or concealer. For foundation, I'm using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Mahogany and just blending it out gently using my Miniso buffing brush. Again, this is a beautiful foundation. It looks like skin, but also you can build it up for that extra coverage and stays put really well as well. You can totally use it for bridal makeup looks like this one. It will stay very well. I absolutely love this foundation. So again, I'm just building up the coverage here. and once that is done, I'm going to take my PAC Take Cover Concealer again in the shade Spice Sand and just highlight and brighten up my under eyes and also the center of my face as well. Again, using my PAC 219 concealer blending brush, I'm just using gentle dabbing motion to conceal and blend the concealer. Once that is done, I'm gonna go over with my same e.l.f. beauty blender to make sure that everything looks flawless and that the excess product is taken away using this sponge. I'm gonna do a bit of cream contouring today. For that, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade Espresso Edge, which is a deep shade of brown, and just applying that to the hollows of my cheeks, to the perimeters of my forehead, my jawline, on the sides of the nose and around my mouth area to make it look more plumped. I'm using my same Miniso brush because this is going to make sure that the foundation and the contour merges beautifully and creates a smooth transition, and blending it in upward strokes. Once that is done, I'm switching over to a smaller blending brush from Miniso again to blend out the nose contour as well as the mouth contour. Again, going over with my beauty blender one more time just to make sure that everything looks seamless and flawless. I'm also adding a bit of liquid highlighter before I set my base makeup with powder. I'm using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow in the shade Bronzed Glaze and just adding 2 little tiny drops on the tops of my cheekbones and blending it out using my beauty blender for that popping glow. To set everything in place, I'm using the K Beauty Loose Powder in the shade Latte, which is a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone, and just using a generous amount of the powder to bake underneath my eyes. You want your makeup to last really well, so make sure that you bake. If you have oily skin or if you have a drier skin type, just remove it instantly and that will add that beautiful brightened effect to your under eyes. While the powder is baking, I'm just gonna use my Kiko Milano Long Lasting Kohl Pencil in a black shade and just apply it to my lower waterline as well as my lower lash line and also to tightline my eyes. This is a beautiful jet black, very long lasting Kohl pencil. I absolutely love it. Again, gonna use the same deep matte brown shade on a pencil brush to smoke out my lower lash line. This is just gonna soften the black Kohl pencil and create that smudged out, smoked out effect. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the excessive loose powder away using a powder brush. This way you can prevent any creases on the under eyes and also your makeup looks extra flawless. I'm using the same loose powder here to set the rest of the face as well, but I'm using a light layer. For eyeliner, I'm using the Forever 52 Purist Waterproof Pen Type Eyeliner. Since it's a bridal makeup look, I wanted to use a waterproof eyeliner so that the eyeliner doesn't move or budge and stays put. So I'm creating a nice winged eyeliner. Not too long or not too short, so just a moderate kind of a winged eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using my Rimmel Super Lash Mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes. This is a really good inexpensive mascara. Once that is done, I'm gonna stick on some falsies. So I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty eyelashes in the style Nubia and use my Miss Claire dark toned eyelash glue to stick it, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful set of eyelashes. To set the cream contour and intensify, I'm using the K Beauty compact powder in the shade Cocoa, which is a really deep shade of a compact powder, and it also looks very smooth on the skin. So I'm basically gonna use the same compact powder wherever I use the cream contouring from Sugar. For blusher, I'm using my absolute favorite blusher. This is the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This absolutely goes with any makeup look and also perfect for dusky complexion. So I'm just popping that to the apples of my cheeks and blending it out up to give that sculpted effect. For highlight, I'm using my Swiss Beauty highlighter brick. This is in a bronzy gold shade, and applying the highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, to my cupid's bow, my chin, and also to the bridge of the nose, and also on the inner corners of my eyes as well as the brow bone area. It's a very intense highlighter, so a little bit goes a long way. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking my Color Bar lip liner in the shade Pure Vino, which is a deep wine toned lip liner. So first I'm going to use this pencil to overdraw my lips like I usually do. And once that is done, I'm just going to fill in my entire lips using the same lip pencil, because I am going to go in with a very bright and hot pink shade, and also a lip liner underneath is just going to make sure that your lipstick lasts really well as well. So I'm just creating that base for my lipstick. For lipstick, I took the same Wet n Wild lipstick that I used earlier, and as I was applying it, the wand kind of broke. So I switched over to another similar shade from Miss Claire. It's a very similar shade, but it's a tad bit brighter. So yeah, I'm just applying that all over the lips. This is also a very good formula and lasts so well on the lips and feels super comfortable too. So I'm just applying that all over the lips here. To set everything in place, I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is an excellent setting spray if you want your makeup to last longer and stay put. So I'm just making sure that the entire makeup is well set. This is the finished South Indian bridal makeup look that I created for you all using all affordable products, and I really hope that I was able to explain each and every step as I did my makeup. And here is the accessories that I wore. All of my jewelry pieces are from Kajal's Fashion Jewelry. It's a beautiful South Indian bridal makeup look. You can switch up the lip color to whatever color that suits your outfit. So yeah, this is the look. There will be a lot of bridal makeup tutorials that will be coming up on my channel next, so stay tuned for that. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching my South Indian bridal makeup look. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!